channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 1 of SQL. In today's session, I'll show you how to create a database in SQL. For creating a database, you need to type create database db1. The syntax for creating a database is create database db1. But in my case, I'm taking create database db3 since db1 and db2 database is already been existing in my database system. As you can see in the output, database db2 already exists. Choose a different database name. So I am selecting db3 as my database. As you can see, I am typing the syntax as create database db3. Usually, in the cases you can take create database db1. Select the statement and execute. You see that the command is executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 2 of SQL. Today I'll demonstrate you how to drop a database in SQL. For dropping a database in SQL, you need to type as drop database db1 if you are executing the SQL statement for the first time. If you are executing the statement for the first time, you can choose the database as db1 and then drop database db1. But in my case, since I have selected db3, because db1 and db2 are already been existing in my database, so I have to drop the database db3. But usually you can choose the database as db1 and then you can drop the database as db1. Since in chapter 1 I have selected create database db3, so I am dropping the database db3. As you can see, I have typed it as I am typing drop database db3 semicolon. Select the statement and execute. Hence, the output command is successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 3 of SQL. In today's session, I'll show you how to create a database followed by the name. For creating a database followed by the name, you need to type the syntax as create database followed by the name. You can choose any name that you wish for. As I'm typing the syntax as create database Sam, you can choose any name that you wish for. As soon as you create the database for any name, SQL command will execute the database for that particular name. As I'm typing the syntax as create database Sam. And semicolon means that your statement is completed. Now select the statement and execute. And hence the command is successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 4 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate you how to use the name. Once you have created the database followed by the name, now you need to use the name in order to execute the queries in it. The syntax for using the name is use SAM. Since I have created the database for SAM, you can choose any name that you wish for and create a database. As you can see that I have typed the syntax as use SAM. You can use any name that you wish for after creating the database. Now use SAM, semicolon, select and execute the query. The command has got successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 5 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate you how to create a table in a SQL. The syntax for creating a table is create table, table name, open parenthesis, the field names followed by their data types, close parenthesis and semicolon. Once you have created the database followed by the name, now we need to create a table by using the name or in the name that we have created. So as you can see, I am typing as create table tb1 or the table name open parenthesis employee ID int. Int means integer for employee ID. The data type for employee ID is integer. Comma employee name varchar10. Varchar10 means the characteristics of employee name or the text of the employee name will be fixed or specified, and age as integer. The data type for age is integer. As you can see, I am giving the command as create table tb1 or the table name. For creating a table, you need to type as create table, the table name, open parenthesis, the field name followed by their data types. As you can see, I am giving it as employee ID integer, comma, employee name as varchar10, comma, age as integer. These are the data types of the field names. Close parenthesis, semicolon. Now select the statement and execute, and your command is executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 6 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you how to insert values into a table. Once you have created the table, that is create table, table name, open parenthesis, the field name and their data type. Now you need to insert values into the table. So the syntax is insert into table name or tb1 values, open parenthesis, for employee ID it is 1 as integer, comma, employee name varchar10 that is Rambo, comma, age integer that is 23. Now if you select each and every row, that it will take time, it will take some time. Now if you want to see the entire row, the syntax for it is select star from the table 1 or tb1. Select star means it will select everything present in the table. To view the entire table into the database, you need to type as select star from tb1 or the table name. As you are seeing, I am typing as select star from tb1, semicolon, select and execute. It will show the entire table, and hence the command is executed as you can see. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayek.
Welcome to chapter 7 of SQL. In today's session, I'll show you how to select a particular column from a table. In order to select a particular column from a table, you need to give the syntax as select table name dot field name 1, comma, table name dot field name 2 from the table name. If any data is given and you want to select particular columns from the given data, then you need to give the syntax as select table name dot field name 1, comma, table name dot field name 2 from the table name. As you can see, I am giving the syntax as select tb1 dot employee id. Employee id is the field name 1, comma, tb1 dot employee name. Employee name is the field name 2, wherein employee id and employee name are field name 1 and field name 2 from the table name, that is tb1. As you can see that I have given the syntax as select tb1 dot employee id, comma, tb1 dot employee name from tb1. Now I am typing the main command. Select tb1 dot employee id, comma, tb1 dot employee name from tb1. It will only show me employee id, the columns of employee id and employee name from the table 1 or tb1. Semicolon, select the command and execute. And hence the command got executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayek.
Welcome to chapter 8 of SQL. In today's session, I'll show you how to select a particular row from a table. In order to select a particular row from a table, the syntax is select star from table name where condition. If you want to fetch a particular row from the entire table that has been given to you or the entire data that has been given to you, you need to type the syntax as select star from the table name where condition. As I am giving the syntax as select star from tb1. tb1 means that is the table name where condition. The condition that I am giving forward is where employee name equal to Alan. As you can see, I am typing select star from tb1. That is the table name where employee name equals to Alan. Whenever you mention a name, always mention it in single quotes. Always remember that. Now I am giving the command as select star from tb1, that is the table name where employee name equal to Alan. It will only execute the employee name Alan. This is how you can fetch a particular row from a table. Now select star from tb1 where employee name equal to Alan, semicolon, select and execute. And hence only employee name Alan has been selected, has been fetched from the data. As you can see, it has got successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Sense. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 9 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you how to use the aggregate functions in a table. The aggregate functions are sum, min for minimum, max for maximum, average, and count. The aggregate functions can be used only in terms of the quantity or measurement, such as salary, age. The syntax of aggregate functions are select sum bracket age or sum of age from table name, and the rest follows the same. The same syntax is for minimum, maximum, average, and count. Select sum of age from table name. The same thing goes for minimum. Select min of age from table name or TB1. The same thing goes for maximum also. Select max age from table name. Always give semicolon after the end of the statement, or else if you don't give semicolon, then your statement is incomplete, and hence when you click on execute, your statement won't get executed properly. As you can see, the same syntax came for the maximum, even for average and count, the same syntax. Select average age from table name. For count also the same syntax. Select count average from table name or TB1. Now as you can see, I am giving the commands as the same as syntax. As you can see, I am typing select sum of age from table name, semicolon. Select and execute, and it will show the sum of age. As you can see, it has shown the sum of age. Do the same thing for minimum or min for minimum. It will show the minimum value for the age. Select and execute. As you can see, it is showing the minimum value for the age. The same thing goes for the maximum. It will show the maximum value for the age. Select and execute. As you can see, it is showing the maximum value for the age. Now do average of the age from the table name. It will give me the average value of the table. The same syntax goes for the count also. It will count the age, or it will count the number of rows that the age have. Select and execute, and it has given me the count of age. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to Chapter 10 of SQL. In today's session, I'll show you, or I'll demonstrate to you, how to use the logical functions or the operators in a table of SQL. The logical operators the commands or functions are between, and, not equal to, and or. The logical operators can be used after a where condition. If you have been given a table and you want to fetch a particular row or a data from the entire table, then logical function is very much helpful. The syntax of logical function for between is select star from TB1 or the table name where age between 23 and 25. So it will fetch me the data within the range of 23 and 25. As you can see, I am typing select star from TB1 where age between 23 and 25. This is a combination of between and AND command. And don't forget to put semicolon at the end. Semicolon means that your statement is complete. If you don't put semicolon, then your statement remains incomplete and it won't execute. Now coming to equal to and AND command. Select star from TB1 or table name where employee ID equal to 1 and employee name equal to Rambo. Observe that Rambo I have given in single quotes. Whenever you mention any character or any varchar, you need to mention that in single quotes always. Now coming to not equal to. In SQL, not equal to means not age equal to or not salary equal to. So the command is, or the syntax is, select star from table name or TB1 when not age equal to 23. So it will fetch me the data where the other than 23. Where the age is not equal to 23. Now coming to the OR operator. Select star from TB1 or table name where age equal to 23 or age equal to 24. So it will fetch me the data either for 23 or for 24. Either of the command it will fetch me the data. So this is an OR command. As you can see, I am giving the text as select star from table name or TB1 where age equals to 23 or age equals to 24. So this is an OR condition with equal to sign. And observe in all the four statements I have given semicolon at the end of the statement. That means whenever I'll execute these commands along with the semicolon, it will execute the statements then and there itself. So let us type the commands. Select star from table name or TB1 as I've selected for my table name as TB1 where age between 23 and 25. So it will show me or fetch me the data within the range of 23 and 25. Select and execute. Here it is. Coming to the next. And an equal to sign operator. Select star from TB1 or table name where employee ID equal to 1 and employee name equal to single quotes Rambo. It will fetch me the data where the employee ID equal to 1. Only for the particular row of Rambo it will fetch the data. As you can see, I am typing select star from TB1 or table name where employee ID equal to 1 and employee name equal to Rambo. Observe that all these conditions are given after the where condition. So generally the syntax for logical operators are select star from TB1 where condition. Now Let's see for not equal to. Select star from TB1 where not age equal to 23. So it will fetch me the data where the age is not equal to 23. As you can see, I have typed the text, select and execute, and it has given me the age not equal to 23. Now coming to last but not the least, OR operator. Select star from TB1 where age equal to 23 or age equal to 24. So either of the condition it will show me, either 23 or 24. Select and execute, and hence the command is successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 11 of SQL. In today's session I'll demonstrate to you how to use an order by function in a table of SQL. Now generally order by function is used in order to sort the table in ascending or descending order. If you want to fetch the table or the data in ascending or descending order, then order by commands are used. The order by commands are ascending, ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. The order by commands don't require any where condition, and the order by commands are normally used in terms of measurement such as age, salary. As you can see, I'm giving the syntax as select star from TB1 or table name, order by age. In ascending, even if you don't give the data as ASC, then automatically the SQL command will fetch the data in ascending order. But in case of descending order, you need to mention a DESC. For ascending, even if you don't mention it, the SQL command will automatically fetch the data in ascending order. As you can see, I'm giving the command for descending as, or the syntax for descending as select star from TB1, order by age DESC. Now I'm writing the command as select star from TB1, order by age. And it will fetch the data in ascending order. And don't forget to put semicolon at the end. Select and execute. So it has fetched the data in ascending order. Now for descending order, select star from TB1, order by age DESC. For descending, you need to mention as DESC. Semicolon, select and execute. And hence the command is executed in the descending order, as you can see. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to Chapter 12 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate to you how to use the group by function in a table in SQL commands. Group by function is generally used to arrange the similar data into groups. The group by function is always used after the aggregate functions. The aggregate functions such as sum, min for minimum, max for maximum, average and count. As you can see that I am typing the syntax as select sum of age, employee name from TB1 or the table name that I mentioned earlier. Group by employee name. So it will group the employee name. It will fetch the data and group by the employee name. Now group by along with the having condition. Having clause is always used after the group by condition. For having clause, you need to first mention the aggregate function after that group by clause. The syntax for having function will be select sum of age, employee name from TB1, group by employee name, having employee name equal to Rambo in single quotes. Whenever you mention any text or character, you need to mention that in single quotes. And never ever forget to put semicolon. That will show that your statement is ended. As you can see, I am typing select sum of age, employee name from TB1 or the table name, group by employee name. Having employee name equal to Rambo. In having clause, you need to mention the specific row or the particular row in it. You need to mention or specify the particular data in it, so that the SQL command or the database will automatically fetch the data. And always remember, whenever you execute having clause, the aggregate function and the group by function will come at the beginning, and then the having clause will be executed. So these are the syntax. Now I need to write the command for these. That will be the same as syntax. As you can see, I am typing select sum of age, employee name from TB1, group by employee name. So it will automatically group the employee name. It will fetch the data and group the employee name. And never ever forget to put semicolon at the end, as I am mentioning it from the very beginning. Without semicolon, the statement won't execute. You will not be able to execute the statement. It will show an error. Group by employee name, semicolon, select and execute. Now it will fetch the data and group by the employee name. As you can see, it has executed successfully. Now the same command for the having function. But in having clause, the aggregate and the group by function will come at the beginning, as I mentioned it earlier. As you can see, I am mentioning select sum of age, employee name from TB1, group by employee name, having employee name equal to Rambo in single quotes. Now select and execute. It has fetched the data for the Rambo. Thanks for watching the video.
Welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to chapter 13 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate to you how to use the in command, the like command, the distinct command, and the top command. All these commands are used either if you specify the row or as to count the number of rows that a specific column has, or to find the order of rank in a table of a record of a database. The syntax for in command is select staff from TB1 where employee name in Alan. So it will fetch the data where the employee name is Alan. As you can see, I have typed select staff from TB1 where employee name in Alan. Now coming to like command. Like command is similar to in command, but in like command there is a condition. Like command is used along with a percentage. Percentage means that the character will be specified. And if the like command is used along with the spaces, then it can be a preceding or the successor of the character. As you can see, I am typing select staff from TB1 where employee name like bracket open single quotes are percentage. That means it will fetch the data for the record where it has the R, where it has the character of R. Coming to distinct. Distinct command is used if you want to count the number of rows that a specific column has. As you can see, I am typing select count distinct of age. As age count from TB1. It will count the number of rows that the age column has in the table named TB1. As you can see, I am giving the command as select count distinct of age as age count. Age count is the field name that I am specifying in the table 1 or in the table name as TB1. Don't forget to put semicolon. Semicolon means it will show you the end of the statement. And last but not the least, to find the top. Top command is used if you want to find the top rankers or in a table, if you have to find the top rankers or the top position, then the top command is used. The syntax for top command is select top 2 star from TB1 order by age. So it will sort the table in ascending order through the age column. Now I am giving the command which is the same as syntax, which is select staff from TB1 or the table name where employee name in Alan. So it will fetch the record where the employee name is Alan. Semicolon, select and execute. And you can see that it has fetched the data for Alan, where the employee name is Alan. Now coming to the like command. The syntax for like command is select staff from TB1 where employee name like R percentage in single quotes in bracket. As you can see, I am typing select staff from table name TB1 where employee name like bracket open parenthesis single quotes R percentage. It will fetch the record for the character R, and percentage is always specified. Always remember this. Single quotes bracket close semicolon. Select and execute. It will fetch the data for for the character that has R in it. I'm selecting and executing, and see, it has given me the data as Rambo. Now coming to the count or to the distinct. Distinct means it will count the number of rows that the age column has, as it will be set in a different column named age count. And the syntax is select count of distinct age. As age count from TB1. It will fetch the data for the age and it will show me the count. It will show you the count that the age column has. And it will be set in a different field name as age count. And as I'm mentioning earlier and now also, don't forget to put the semicolons. Now select and execute, and see the age count is 2. Now last but not the least, for the top 2 commands. The top command syntax is select top 2 star from TB1 order by age. So it will sort the data according to the age as ascending. Select and execute. And it will fetch the data for the top 2 position by sorting the data through age column. As you can see, the command is executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 14 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you how to insert a function in a table of SQL command. Now if you have a table such as employee ID, employee name, age, and you want to insert another field name or a column, then insert function is very much helpful. The syntax for insert function is alter table tb1 add height int, as I'm adding height into the table 1. As you can see, I'm typing order table tb1 add height int. Int is the integer or the data type. It is the integer or the data type for the height. Now to fetch the data entirely or to see the command that the command has been executed entirely, that the height has inserted into the column, into the TB1, you need to write the command as select star from TB1 so as to see that the height is inserted into the column. Now need to write the command that will be same as the syntax. As you can see, I'm typing alter table tb1 or the table name, add height int, semicolon. Select and execute. The command is completed successfully, has been executed successfully. Now if I give select star from tb1, it will show me that the height has already been inserted into the table name tb1. Never ever forget to put the semicolon at the end. Semicolon indicates that your statement is complete. So just select the statement, select and execute the statement. It will show as, now you see that height has already been inserted into the table. You can insert values into the table also. For that, you need to update the function. You need to update the table. And that I will show you in the next chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. And thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 15 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you how to use the update function in a table of SQL. Now, if you have a table of employee ID, employee name, age, height and weight, and if you want to insert values in the height column, then you need to update the table. The syntax of update is update tb1 or the table name, set height equal to 5. 5 is the value for the height, where employee name equal to single quotes Rambo. Now if you want to see the data entirely, then you need to write the syntax as select star from tb1 or the table name, so as to see that the table has been updated and the value of height has been updated. As you can see, I am writing select star from tb1. Now I'll write the command that is the same as the syntax. Update tb1 set height equal to 5, where employee name equal to single quotes Rambo. Whenever you give a text, always give it in single quotes. And always at the end of the statement put semicolon. That shows that your statement is complete. As you can see, I am typing update tb1 set height equal to 5 where employee name equal to Rambo, semicolon. Now select and execute. The row is affected. Now if I want to see that my height is updated or not, whether my height column has been updated or not, so I am writing as select star from tb1, select and execute, and hence you see that the output is executed successfully. The value of height is updated. Now if I want to update the weight, column, then the same thing I need to type. Instead of height, it would be weight, as update tb1 set weight equal to 70, where employee name equal to Rambo, in single quotes. As you can see, I have typed the same thing, update tb1 or the table name, set weight equal to 70, where employee name equal to Rambo. Now if I want to see whether my weight column is updated or not, I need to type as select star from tb1. Now I'll write the command which will be as same as the syntax. Update tb1 set weight equal to 70, where employee name equal to Rambo, in single quotes and semicolon. Always put semicolon at the end of the statement. If you don't put semicolon, then your statement won't get executed. Select and execute. Hence you see that one row is affected. Now if I want to see whether my weight column is updated or not, I need to type select star from TB1. Select and execute. And hence my weight column is updated. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to chapter 16 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate to you how to use the delete function in a table in SQL. For deleting a function, you can either delete a function through a row or either through a column. First, I'll show you how to use the delete function in a row. If you have a data and you want to delete a particular record from the database, then deleting a row is very much helpful indeed. The syntax for deleting a row is delete from table name or TB1 where employee name equal to John. Now for deleting a row, you need to mention or specify the employee name or the employee ID or the age. You need to specify the criteria of that particular record from the database. As I am mentioning the employee name as John, so it will delete the database record of John. To check whether the command is successfully executed or not, you need to type as select star from TB1 or the table name. That will indicate or show that the database of John has been deleted from the record. Now I'll type the command that is same as that of the syntax. As you can see, I'm typing delete from TB1 where employee name equal to John in single quotes, semicolon. It will delete the database of the record of John. Select and execute. After giving semicolon, select and execute. Hence the row is getting affected. Now to check whether the row has got deleted or not, type select star from TB1, semicolon. Select and execute. And hence the database of John has been deleted. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to chapter 18 of SQL. In today's session, I'll demonstrate to you how to use the delete function in a table of SQL. As I have mentioned earlier, that you can use the delete function either through a row or through a column. And in the previous chapter, I had shown to you how to use the delete function through a row. Now, I'll demonstrate to you how to use the delete function through a column. Now, the syntax for deleting a column is alter table TB1, drop column, the column name or the field name. The particular column that you want to drop, you want to delete, you need to use the command as drop. And if you want to check whether the command is executed or not, you need to type as select star from TB1. As you can see, I am typing select star from TB1 or the table name. Now I will write the command that is the same as the syntax. That is altered table tb1 or table name, as I have mentioned the table name as tb1. As you can see, I am typing ordered table tb1. Drop column weight. I want to delete the column of weight, so I am giving the command as drop column weight. Semicolon. Don't forget to put semicolon at the end. Now select and execute. The command is executed successfully. Now whether to check the column weight has been deleted or not, type select star from tb1, semicolon and execute. Select and execute. And hence the column weight has been deleted. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to chapter 19 of SQL. In today's session I will show you how to do a joining of two tables. For joining of two tables you need to create two tables. In joining table, the first table is always known as the parent table and the second table is always known as the child table. Not only you can join two tables, you can join as many as 3, 4, 5 tables. But always remember, the first table is always known as the parent table. The rest all tables are always known as the child table. Now as you can see, I am creating a table as create table tb1. Since tb1 is already existing in the database, I have to create a new table as tb2. Employee ID, bracket open, employee ID, integer, the data type of employee ID, employee name, varchar 10, the data type for employee name, comma, and their age, that is at integer. The data type for age is integer. As you can see that I am selected the command and executed, but since tb1 is already been existing, so I need to do it with another table, with a different table as tb2. Now I need to insert values into tb2, and the command is insert into tb2 values, bracket open, for employee ID integer I need to give the command as 1, comma, employee name, whatever employee name you wish for you can give it, and their age, which is the integer. Varchar 10 means the characteristics will be specified. As you can see, I am typing insert into tb2 values. When you will find errors, you will see that there is an underline in the command, and you can understand by that there is some mistake or error going on. So as you can see, it is insert into tb2 values 1, Sam, 24. I have given the criteria. Now I need to insert for the rest two employee IDs the same thing. As you can see, I am giving the criteria as employee ID 2, James, and age as 25. Now select the command and execute. The row has got affected. By simple copy and paste, you can save your time. You don't have to write it again and again. Press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V, which I am doing. It will save your time as much as you can. As you can see, for employee ID 3, I have given the criteria as employee ID 3 and employee name as Chris and age is 26. Select the command and execute. Now if I want to see the entire row, entire table, so I need to write it as select staff from TB2. And semicolon. Select and execute. So it is showing me all the 3 employee IDs along with their employee name and age. Now I need to create an table 2. That will be TB3. Since TB1 is already been existing in my database, so I need to create 2 tables, 2 different tables, that is TB2 and TB3. It is the same procedure as the previous one. Create table TB3, but this time the field columns will be a little bit different. But there has to be a common key, so I am keeping the employee ID as common. Integer, the data type for employee ID is integer, comma, weight, and the data type for weight is integer. Now I need to insert values in it. Select and execute. The command is executed successfully. Now I need to insert values in TB3. So it will be insert into TB3 values. Now in this table I will give 4 rows so as to show you the joins clearly. As you can see, I am giving the criteria as 1, 70. Select and execute. Just copy the command and paste it and change the criteria. As you can see, I am typing it as 2, 75. Semicolon, select and execute. As I mentioned earlier, you can copy paste the command and save your time. You don't have to type it again and again. As you can see, I have given it as 3, 80, the criteria. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, that I am purposefully giving the 4th employee ID so as to show you the join command clearly. Now if I want to fetch the data, the entire data, so I need to write it as select staff from TB1. But previous to that, I need to create another employee ID. Insert into TB3 values 4, 85. Select and execute. Now there are 4 types of joins. A join is basically a combination of records of 2 or more tables. Join is of 4 types. Inner join, which will show you the combination of the records from both the tables. Left join, which will show you the left side of the table along with the matched records of the right side of the table. The right join, which will show you the right side of the table along with the matched records of the left side of the table. And the full outer join, that will show you the combination of the 2 tables. As you can see, in table 2 and table 3, the primary key is employee ID that I have given. So I have stated that the primary key is employee ID in both the tables. To form a join, you need a primary key. Unless and until without any primary key, you cannot form a join between the 2 tables. Now the syntax for join is select staff from parent table. As I've already stated that you can do n number of joins from the tables. But your first table will always be known as the parent table and the rest all tables will be known as the child table. Now the syntax for joining the two tables. Select staff from parent table, join the child table on parent table dot primary key equal to child table dot primary key. Primary key is the employee ID. Parent table is TB2 and child table is TB3. As you can see, I am typing select staff from parent table, join child table on parent table dot primary key equal to child table dot primary key. Whenever you do a join, the first table is always known as the parent table. Always be careful while joining. The parent table is the first table, the rest all tables are your child table. You can do n number of joins in the tables. But your first table will always known as the parent table and you need to form a primary key in both the tables. As you can see, the primary key is employee ID. In table 2, it is employee ID, employee name and age. And in table 3, it is employee ID and weight. So the common primary key is employee ID. So when you do the inner joins, so it will be like the syntax for inner join is select staff from TB2 on select staff from TB2 join TB3 on TB2 dot employee ID equal to TB3 dot employee ID. The same thing goes for the left join. As you can see, I am typing select staff from TB2 join TB3 on TB2 dot employee ID equal to TB3 dot employee ID. Semicolon and execute. In joins also, never forget to put the semicolons. Without semicolon, your statement will be incomplete. So you need to execute the semicolons so as to show that your statement is complete and you will be able to execute the command successfully. Now select the command and execute. Need to give it as TB2. I have given it as TB1. Since TB1 is already existing in this database, so I need to give it as TB2. I need to select it as inner join. You can copy and paste the command and write it as for the left join. The same thing goes for the right join and the full outer join. Now select and execute. So it is showing the TB2 and TB3 tables. Now this is the inner join where it has shown the match records of both the tables. Now let us do the left join. Always remember one thing, the syntax for inner join and the left join is almost the same. Just copy paste the command and change the inner join to the left join. Select and execute. Now this is the left join, whereas it has showed the left side of the table and the match records of the right side of the table. Now let us do the right join. Just copy and paste the command and write instead of left join, type right join. Ctrl plus C is for copy and Ctrl plus V is for paste. It will save your time rather than just typing the commands again and executing it again. So click on right join. Select and execute. And this is your right join where it has shown the right side of the table and the match records of the left side of the table. Now the full outer join is also the same. Copy and paste the command, select and execute. And this, instead of right join, write full outer join. Don't write outer join, it won't execute. The command is full outer join. Select and execute. And it will show the match records of the full outer join. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 20 of SQL. In today's session I will show you how to join three tables. As I have mentioned earlier that you can do n number of joins, but your first table is always known as the parent table and the rest all table is known as the child table. For joining three tables you need to create three tables. As you can see that I am creating a table as create table TB1, employee ID as integer, employee name as varchar10. Varchar10 means the characters will be fixed. Comma age integer. As TB1 is already been existing in my database, so I need to choose a different database for the table name. So I am making changes from TB1 to TB7. As till TB1 to TB6 it has been existing in my database. So I am choosing it as, selecting it as TB7. Now select the command and execute. Hence the command is executed successfully. Now I need to insert values into the table TB7. So insert into TB7 values or the table name values. You can give the criteria for the field names, employee ID, employee name and age as you wish for. As you can see, for employee ID I have given 1. For employee name I have given Sam. And for age I have given 25. Now put semicolon. Never forget to put semicolon at the end of the statement. It will show that your statement is complete. Now copy and paste the command and change the criteria for employee ID, employee name and age. And I will do the rest the same. For inserting 3 tables, there has to be a primary key in all the 3 tables so as to form a join. To join the table, you need to form a primary key in all the 3 tables. So I will keep the employee ID. For much simplicity, I will keep the employee ID as a common primary key. As you can see, for the third employee ID, I have given the criteria. I am giving the criteria as 3, Alan, 25. Select and execute. I want to fetch the data. I want to see all the tables, all the records of the table TB7. So I am writing it as select star from TB7. Select and execute. And hence it will get executed. Now I am creating another table. The procedure follows the same. First you need to give the criteria for the tables and then you need to insert values. As for the second table, I am giving it as TB8 and the criteria employee ID and height, and both their data types are integer. Now select and execute. The command is executed successfully. Now I am inserting values into the second table. As you can see, I am typing insert into TB8 values 1, 5. Now select the command and execute. Now follow the same procedure for the rest 2 employee IDs. For the rest 2 employee IDs. You can form n number of joins as you wish for. Always remember that your parent table will be, or the first priority of the parent table will be given to the first table. The rest all table will be considered as the child table. Now I want to see the entire table record, so I am writing it as select star from TB8. Select and execute. And it will show me the records of TB8 or the table name TB8. Now I am creating a third table, TB9, and the procedure follows the same. Whereas this time the criteria will be employee ID and weight, and both the integers will be, and both the data types will be their integers. And purposefully I will create another employee ID in this table so as to show you the join clearly. Now I need to insert values into table name TB9. As you can see, insert into TB9 values. As I am giving the criteria as 1, 60. Now both their data types are integer. Select and execute. The row has got affected successfully. Copy and paste the rest and change the criteria. As you can see that for the third criteria also I did the same. Select and execute and the row has got affected successfully. Now as I have mentioned that I'll insert another employee ID in this table so as to show you the join clearly. In all the three tables, the employee ID is the common primary key. Don't forget to put the semicolons. If I want to fetch the data to see the TV9 completely, so I'm typing it as select star from TV9, select and execute, and it will show me the record, the database of TV9. Now the primary key in all the three tables is employee ID. As you can see, I'm typing it as the primary key of all the three tables is employee ID. You can form n number of joins, but to form an n number of joins you need a primary key. Without a primary key you cannot form a join in a table. In all the three tables the employee ID is the common, so that forms the primary key. Now the syntax for joining the three tables. It is select star from the parent table, join child table on parent table dot primary key equal to child table dot primary key, join child table on parent table dot primary key equal to child table dot primary key. Looks a little bit lengthy, but is the same as joining of two tables. But you need to be careful with the parent table and the child table. Don't mess with it. So select star from parent table, join child table on parent table dot primary key. Parent table is TV7 and child tables are TV8 and TV9. Primary key is employee ID. Join child table on primary key equal to primary key, parent table dot primary key equal to child table dot primary key. So there are two child tables and one parent table. The parent table is TV7 and the child tables are TV8 and TV9. So the command is select star from TV7 inner join or join TV8 on TV7 dot employee ID equal to TV8 on employee ID. Inner join TV9 on TV7 dot employee ID equal to TV9 dot employee ID. As you can see, I am writing the command now. Select star from TV7 inner join TV8 inner join TV8 on TV7 dot employee ID equal to TV8 dot employee ID. Inner join tb9 on tb7.employee ID equal to tb9.employee ID. Semicolon, select and execute the statement. It will show the join of three tables. Do the same thing for left join, right join and full outer join. Copy and paste the command. You will notice one thing, that the syntax for inner join and left join is almost the same, and syntax for right join and full outer join is almost the same. Inner join will show you, now this is your inner join that is executed. It will show you the match records of both the tables. Left join will show you the left side of the table and the match records of the right side of the table. Notice one thing in common, that the syntax of inner join and left join is almost the same. Select and execute. Now copy and paste the command and write it for the right join. The right join will show you the match records of the right side of the table. It will show you the right side of the table along with the match records of the left side of the table. This is your right join. And the full outer join will show you the combination of both the two tables. Select and execute the statement. And hence the command is executed successfully. And this is the full outer join. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 21 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you the use of dense rank and row number in a table of SQL. Now, dense rank is a condition wherein if there are duplicate numbers in a column, then it will assign the same rank or same position, whereas row number is similar to that of a rank. If there are duplicates in a table or in a column of a table or in a record of a database, then it will assign different position or ranks to the same number. In dense rank, it will assign the same position or rank in a table of a database, whereas row number will assign different ranks for the same number in a database. So in order to show the dense rank and row number, the first thing is we need to create a table. As you can see, I have created a table of create table tb10 of employee ID, integer, employee name and salary. Now I will give the criteria. I will insert the values into the table of tb10. Select and execute. The command is successfully executed. Now I will insert values into tb10. Dense rank and row number is a kind of a subquery, you can say. A query is a set of a question that is being asked to the database in order to fetch the detail from the data. A subquery is similar to a BODMAS rule, wherein the inner query will be solved first, then the outer query will be executed. As you can see, I am inserting the values into the table named TB10, as employee ID is 1, employee name is John, and salary is 20,000. In order to show the dense rank and row number, I'll keep the salary for two criteria the same, so as to show you that for duplicate values in dense rank, it will assign the same rank or position, whereas in row number, it will assign different position or ranks for the same number. Copy and paste the command and change the criteria. As you can see, for employee name 2, for employee ID 2, I have given the name as Smith, the employee name as Smith. For employee number 3, for employee ID 3, the employee name is Chris, but the salaries are the same. Select and execute. The command is successfully executed. Now copy and paste the fourth command and change the criteria. So you can notice that I have kept for two columns, for two criterions, the same salary, so as to show you the dense rank and row number. Now select staff from TB1, from TB10, select and execute. Hence, the data is successfully fetched. Now we need to write the syntax for dense rank. Dense rank and row number can be calculated in terms of measurements, the ones which you can measure in terms of quantities. So the syntax is, as you can see, I am typing select salary, comma, in caps lock dense underscore rank, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis, over bracket open, order by salary descending, DESC, bracket close. So it will sort the data for salary in the descending order. As dense rank, I'm giving the column as the dense rank. I'm inserting a new column as dense rank. As acts as an alias, as dense rank from TB10. Now select and, okay, this is the syntax. Row number is also has the same syntax. That is select salary, comma, row number, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis, over bracket open, salary, order by salary descending, as row number from table name. As you can see, I am writing the command select salary, dense rank, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis. So it will first sort the data in terms of salary in the order of descending. And then it will count the dense rank, it will assign the position of dense rank. Now select and execute the query, and hence you can see that for the same position or for the same salary, same position has been assigned in dense rank. Now we'll see row number. Row number has the same syntax that of dense rank. instead of dense rank you can place row number. That is, select salary, comma, row number, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis, order by salary descending as row number from table name. As you can see in the output that there is a new column of dense rank that has assigned the position, and it has set the salary in the descending order. So this is a subquery wherein the inner query in the brackets will be executed and then the outer query will be fetched. As you can see, I am typing the syntax for row number. Select salary, comma, row number, bracket open, bracket close, over, bracket open, order by salary descending. Bracket close, as row number from table name, or TB10, as I have given the table name as TB10. And don't forget to mention the semicolon at the end of the statement so as to show that your statement is complete, or else your statement won't get executed. It will show an error. Now we'll write the command. That is the same as dense rank, but instead of dense rank you can place row number. In row number it will enact as rank. Even for same salary, different ranks will be assigned. Row number acts as a rank. In a column of duplicate values, the row number will assign different positions or ranks, whereas dense rank will assign the same position for the duplicate values. As you can see, I am typing select salary, comma, row number, open bracket, close bracket, row number, over, bracket open, order by salary descending as row number from TB10. Select and execute, and hence the query is executed. It will assign the different positions for the same numbers. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 22 of SQL. In today's session I will show you how to use the case statement and if statement in a table of SQL. A table name of TB10 has already been created. Since table TB1 to TB9 is already been existing, so I have made a table name of TB10. You can do it with table TB1. You can do it with the table name as TB1. There is no issue in it. But keep one thing in mind, that if your table name is already existing in the database, then you have to create another table name, as I have created as TB10. That is my table name. So the syntax for case statement is select employee ID, comma, employee name from the table name, case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female. This means that only for employee ID 1, the gender is considered to be as male. For rest all employee ID, the gender for the rest all employee ID will be considered as female. End as gender. So there will be a separate field name as gender. End as gender from the table name. So this is the syntax for case. If condition is similar to case, but the only difference is the condition has to be given in the brackets or in the open and close parenthesis brackets. Now this is the syntax for the case statement. As you can see, I have typed select employee ID, employee name, case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female, end as gender from table name. Now writing the command that is same as the syntax, that is select employee ID, employee name, case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female, end as gender from TB10. This means that only for the employee ID 1, the gender will be considered as male, and the rest all employee IDs it will be considered as female. Select and execute the statement. See, as you can see, there is a separate field generated as gender, and it has considered only for employee ID 1 as male and the rest all are females. Now we'll see the syntax for if statement. Always put semicolon at the end of the statement. That will show that your statement is complete. Now the syntax for if statement is select employee ID, employee name, if. Now the spelling of if is double IF. It is not IF. There is no syntax called IF. If it is double IF. If you execute only single I and F, it will show an error. The syntax is double IF. Always remember this. Now you will observe that the condition has been given in brackets. Bracket employee ID equal to 1, then single quotes male, comma, single quotes female, bracket close as gender from table name. When the condition will be executed, it will be the same as the case statement. As you can see, I am writing the command as select employee ID, employee name, comma, double IF, the syntax of if. Even in if statement, the employee ID 1 will be shown as male and the rest all employee IDs it will be shown as female. But the condition will be put in brackets. This is one of the subquery, you can say so. And it will create a separate field name as gender from TB10. Now select and execute, and hence the output is successfully executed, as you can see. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 24 of SQL. In today's session I will show you how to use the subquery command in a table of SQL. A table name of TB10 has already been created. Since from TB1 to TB9 it has been already existing in my database, so I have created a table name, a different table name as TB10. As you can see, that there are different field names for employee ID, employee name and salary. and there are 4 records of the employee ID that's been feeded or inserted into the values for table name TB10. And in order to fetch the entire table, I have given the command as select star from TB10. Select star means it will select everything that is present in the table name, as you can see in the output. Now the syntax for subquery is, subquery means that it will solve the inner query first and then it will fetch for the outer query. Select column name from table name where value in, select column name from table name where condition, close bracket. So it will solve the inner query first, that is the bracket condition, and then it will fetch for the outer bracket or the outer query. As you can see, I am typing select column name from table name where value in, open bracket, select column name from table name where condition. A query, there is a difference between a query and a subquery. A query is a set of questions that has been asked to the database so as to fetch the details from the data. And a subquery means it will solve the inner query first and then it will fetch for the outer query to execute. So as you can see, I have given the syntax as select column name from table name where value in bracket open, select column name from table name where condition bracket close. So it will execute first the inner query, that means the query which is there within the brackets, and then it will solve the outer query. Now I am giving the commands which is similar to that of the syntax. Select employee ID, employee name from TB10, that is the table name. Where employee name in, bracket open, select employee name from TB10. So it will fetch the employee name from table 10, from TB10, and then it will fetch for employee ID or employee name. Now select the command and execute. And don't forget to put semicolon at the end. Semicolon means it's the end of the statement. Now select and execute. Hence the output is successfully fetched. Now we'll do another subquery, that is select employee ID, employee name from TB10 where exists. Now in this subquery, I will use the order by condition, but in ascending order. And I will use the employee name. So it will sort the data in ascending order for the employee name column field. As you can see, I have given select employee ID, employee name from TB10 where exists. Select star, bracket open, select star from TB10 where employee name equal to Smith, bracket close, order by employee name. So first it will fetch the data for Smith and then sort the data in ascending order for the employee name column. Order by employee name. Semicolon. Don't forget to give semicolon. Now select the statement and execute. And hence the command is successfully executed. Thanks for watching the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayed.
Welcome to chapter 25 of SQL. In today's session, I will demonstrate to you the use of view statements in SQL. A table name of TB10 has already been created. As TB1 from TB9, the database has already been existing. So I have created a different table name TB10. And as you can see, the field name has employee ID, employee name and salary. And there are 4 records of the employee ID. Now, in order to fetch the data, I have given the command as select star from TB10. Now, the syntax for view command is create view v1 as select star from table name. It is the same as we execute the command as select star from table name. Instead of table name, we will write it as select star from v1. But for that, you need to create view as v1. As you can see, I have given the syntax as select star from v1 semicolon. View is a virtual set of a database. I am giving the command as, which is similar to that of the syntax, create view v1 as select star from TB10. Select the command and execute. Hence the command is successfully executed. Now write down the next command as select star from v1 semicolon, select and execute. Hence the command is executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.